Welcome back again to my channel. Today we will be talking about marinade. What is a marinade? Good marinade will add flavor to your favorite meat and make it more tender and juicy. Making a marinade is very simple. There are three basic components of marinades. First is an acid, such as lemon juice, vinegar, yogurt, or wine. Acid is important as it breaks down the meat and tenderizes it. Second is oil. Oil protects and preserves the food while marinated and also when it's being cooked. Third is herbs and/or spice. It gives unique flavor and zest. General guidelines for marinating. Meat and poultry are generally marinated for 2 hours up to 2 days. Seafood and fish should be marinated for no longer than 1 hour. Use non-reactive container. Steer clear of aluminum, copper, or cast iron. Aluminum, cast iron, and copper are all reactive. Stainless steel, ceramic glass, and our metal cookware with enamel coating are all non-reactive. Foods cooked in reactive pot will often pick up a metallic flavor and sometimes turn funny colors, particularly very acidic or very alkaline foods. Wait for your marinade to cool down before pouring over the meat of your choice. Always refrigerate your meat while it's marinating. Never reuse marinades. Examples of marinades: pineapple marinade. This sweet fruity marinade works great on any cut of pork or chicken, giving it a great Hawaiian flavor. Pork chop marinade. This is a great Asian-style marinade that works well on all cuts of pork, particularly pork chops, reminiscent of a teriyaki marinade with a hint of heat from the chili sauce. Pork rib marinade. This marinade uses a pork rub for the seasoning with vinegar and water to turn it into a marinade. Teriyaki marinade. This teriyaki marinade works particularly well with pork and poultry and gives it a sweet, salty taste. Mustard vinegar marinade. This is a simple mustard marinade that tenderizes and adds flavor. It works well on pork or poultry.